Hello and welcome back. Steel Pittings here once again, and I have today one of the very sexy new going around Mindy locks, and I think this is the 60mm. It has the Pagota Style with, if you can look right down in there at the top, you see the two slider bits. See if I can shine this light down there. You see the two slider bits right there. And then these sides are the pagodas. Those are like the pins or wafer styles that have to be pushed down at the same time to allow the open. As the key works, it goes in and it's under spring pressure. It has to be pushed in to open. And the key to picking these, honestly, is tension. Sorry, it kind of froze there. I want to make sure and get it in the vise right. Now, the key to honestly picking it properly is having a good, firm, sharp, or not sharp, but pointed push rod for it, if you will, nice and long, because it's got to get all the way down in there. And then tensioning it. It's very easy to go over here and here. Let's see if I can zoom in for y'all. It's, as you can see, it goes over here and here. So it can be very easily tensioned in properly. And I had a tensioner that I had made for it, but I can't seem to find it. But the tensioner you use, you need to be able to make sure it stays out of the way. And doesn't bind up on the outer rim. Alright, and then we go in and start looking for the binder. So I gotta turn it a little bit so I don't hit the camera. Alright, I need to see down in there real quick like. If I can even get to that first one. Or not. Okay, well, we'll keep trying. Shoot. Slip the tensioner. Alright, I gotta find a better tensioner. Let's try this. No. Alright. Got the straight one. Sorry guys, I probably should have done all of this well beforehand. Alright, let's try that again. I think I'm bound on that first one over there. It's really... Every time I touch it, I feel the grind. But I think it might be because it's honestly moving too. That means it's almost picked. And you see I've got it into a slight false set. Just gotta get it the rest of the way. I'm gonna reset because it should be doing better than that. Let's try the key again. Yeah, working. Sorry. The key to these is tensioning because, well, they don't make a tensioner for it, so you gotta kind of be ingenuitive. Use your brain noggin. There it is. Well, you can see it turned. Maybe I use this. No, it's still hung up. Gotta be hung up on something. It's picked. There it goes. Cool. Oh shoot, it was outside. Let me get it out of there now. I wanted to show you that it isn't just the on inside there. You see each one of the fins on the right there, and each one of the fins on the left catch one of the grooves in the key. And then there's the slider bars there. And the grooves in the key are here. And each one of those catch those pins on the side at the same time. And then the tensioning comes from down in the center off the pins. It's a very cool little lock. And, you know, the novice criminal thief, they're going to see it and go, that is a pretty lock. Got the bolt cutters. Because that's the only thing they know what to do. When they look at that keyway, they'll go, oh no, man, just stick a screwdriver in it or something. And, well, you get the hint. You get the point. Nonetheless, y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And until we meet again, peace.